Okay, we're going to start today's lesson for the April 3rd class. We're going to explore the years of 1982 to 2010. This is about your parents' generation time up to the beginning of your generation. So take a look at these slides that we have, about 30 of them, and write up your review again like you did the last time, choosing 3 points that are of interest to you, and write a paragraph about those 3 topics. The compact disc was invented by an American physicist named James Russell in August of 1982. And the first recording was actually a classical piece by Chopin of one of his waltzes. 1983, McDonald's introduces the Chicken McNugget. The story actually starts back in 1960s when the little pieces of fried chicken were kind of created by a chef, a European chef. And McDonald's picked up on the idea in 1981. And they tried to do it in Canada at a few select McDonald's sites. It was a huge hit, and it took them about 2 years to figure out the shipping and processing to release this nationally in 1983. Fox News is a conservative television station, originally put together by Australian American Rupert Murdoch as a conservative voice to American news. The Simpson family cartoon program was released on the Fox television network back in 1987. And it is based on the real-life cartoonist family of Matt Groening, substituting Bart for his own name. It consists of the nuclear family of Homer and Marge, and 3 children, Bart, Lisa, and Maggie. Simpsons are still running on television even to today. The first commercially available digital cameras were invented by Steve Sassoon, who was working for a major American photo corporation called Kodak. And he kind of cobbled together a couple of different cameras that were in stock at that time. And it took a couple of years to really put it on the market. The first cameras that were for sale sold, as you can see in the picture here, sold for about $965 at that time. Now here today, every cell phone has the same kind of photography camera built in, and it's standard for any new cell phone. The World Wide Web, also known as WWW, was invented by a British scientist, Tim Berners-Lee, who was working for a Swiss company called CERN. And it was originally developed for automated information sharing between scientists and universities and institutes around the world, as well as military. Of course, now today, who could live without www? Internet radio was pioneered by American scientist Carl Malmud in 1993, and he launched an internet radio talk show where he had guests on that came in and talked about computers and technology. The first internet concert was broadcast later that year in June by a band by the name of Severe Tire Damage. Do you listen to internet radio? Amazon Corporation was founded by Jeff Bezos in Washington State in July 1994. And originally, it was an online marketplace for books. But of course, as of today, it's expanded to electronics, software, video games, clothing, furniture, food, toys, jewelry, you name it, Amazon sells it. And I use this service continuously. It's so convenient and easy to return what you've bought and get your money back if you don't like it. Plus, the downside of this is the American shopping mall has suffered severely due to the home delivery services of Amazon. And we have seen malls across the country shut down due to lack of customers because of Amazon and other online shopping forums. 1994, Hotmail was launched as a web-based email service. This immediately took off. It was easier to communicate with people and businesses using the email. And as a result, the Postal Service in the United States lost a lot of money and had to downsize its workforce. But even today, Hotmail is the go-to communication device after the cell phone. Google company was the invention of Larry Page and Sergey Brin. And their official idea started in 1997 and was eventually launched in 1998. As we know, Google is the go-to search engine for everyone. They created the algorithms for searching that has made searching the internet a lot easier for all.